Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. In today's session, we will learn due date, maturity of date, meaning of due date and its calculation. Hello students, see the first term or tenure of bill. Term or tenure is a period of time after which a bill becomes payable. Okay, so it may be in number of days or in number of months. Second is grace days. This is a period of 3 extra days which are allowed by law over and above the period of the bill to the drawee to make arrangement to pay the amount of bill. Grace days are not allowed for bills payable or demand at side. So ग्रेस डेज को हमेशा हमको बिल में ऐड करना है. खाली वो ऐड कब नहीं होगा जब वो बिल पेबल होगा ऑन डिमांड और एट साइड. द थर्ड इज डेट ऑफ मैच्योरिटी और ड्यू डेट ऑफ बिल. So it is a date on which a bill falls due for payment after the completion of period of the bill. Means the date on which the bill is required to be paid is called due date of bill or date of maturity. Okay. So one point we will have to be considered regarding calculating of due date, that is public holidays. If the due date falls on public holiday, for payment is to be made on the preceding working day. For example, if the due date of bill is 26 Jan or 15th August, then the payment of the bill is made on the preceding day, that is 25th January or 14th August. So however, if the due date for some reason has been declared as emergency holiday, the payment of the bill must be made on the immediate or next working day. So students, in the next slide we will learn due date and its calculation. Hello students, let's begin with types of due date. Okay. So first type is nominal due date. It is a date which is calculated without adding 3 days of grace to the period of bill. यानी यहाँ पे हम 3 days एक्स्ट्रा ऐड नहीं करते हैं. ओके. नॉर्मली हमारा ये जो प्रोसीजर ये बिल डिमांड पर होता है. Second is legal due date. It is a date which is arrived after adding 3 days of grace in a normal due date. Okay. That is legal due date is equal to nominal due date plus 3 days of grace days. Okay. So in the next slide we will learn the calculation of due date. So let's begin with the calculation of due date. यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट टाइप जो है वो बिल्स पेबल आफ्टर डेट मेंशन है और वो 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड है. द फर्स्ट इज टेनर ऑफ बिल गिवन इन मंथ and second is tenor of bill given in days. So in first type, in such a case we have to take the corresponding date of month concerned with add 3 days of grace to the due date. यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी हमारे मंथ दिए हैं उसको ऐड करेंगे आगे के और प्लस 3 ग्रेस डेज ऐड करेंगे डेट ऑफ बिल में. एंड द सेकेंड इज टेन्योर ऑफ बिल गिवन इन डेज. इन सच केस ऐड these days to the date of drawing of the bill and plus 3 days of grace to find the due date. जितने भी days हैं वो days में हमको calculate करेंगे proceeding days में and plus 3 days grace add करेंगे. So second B case is in case of bills payable after sight. In such case calculation of days or month is same as like previous one, but only difference is that the period of bill should be counted from the date of acceptance of bill, okay, or date of presentation, whichever is earliest. So with the help of this term we will learn calculation of the due date with the examples questions in next slide. So let's begin with the calculation of due date for the following bill. Okay students, in the first question we will see is that 5th Jan 2019 is the date of bill is given. Period of bill is 3 months. Types of bill is after date. Date of presentation 5th January 2019 and acceptance date is 7th Jan 2019. And in the second one, 12th March 2019, 45 days are given. After that bill है हमारा 12 मार्च एक्सेप्टेंस है एंड 12 मार्च प्रेजेंटेशन का डेट भी है. द थर्ड वन 15th May 2019 डेट ऑफ बिल इज़ गिवन. 3 मंथ पीरियड है, बट यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखना है कि आफ्टर साइट दिया है. ओके, सो आफ्टर साइट के लिए हमको क्या करना है, डेट ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन और डेट ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस विच एवर इज़ अर्लियर वी हैव टू चूज़. सो यहाँ पे दोनों का डेट सेम है 15th May 2019. एंड इन द फोर्थ केस 27th August 2019. ओके, डेट ऑफ बिल है, 2 month पीरियड इज़ गिवन. आफ्टर साइट है टाइप्स ऑफ बिल and date of presentation is 29th August and date of acceptance is 30 August 2019. So in the next slide we will start with the solution of calculation of due date of the following bill. So students, let's begin with the sum of calculation of due date. Here we will see that date of bill is 5th Jan 2019. Period of bill is 3 months. Okay, so nominal date 5th April 2019 आएगा. Then we will add 3 days as a grace. So legal due date is 8th April 2019. So now we move to the second question. Question number 2 of calculation of due date in next slide. So students, here the date of bill is 12 March 2019 and the period of bill is 45 days. यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है कि जो हमारा टर्म है वो डेज में है. So first we will have to calculate the following remaining days in the month of March. The days are remaining is 19 and in the month of April again we will see that 26 days are remaining. So the date is 12 March 2019 plus 45 days are 26 April 2019. So plus 3 days as a grace we will have to add and the date is 29th April 2019 is our due date. So in the next slide we will solve question number 3 of calculation of due date. In this question we will have to calculate the date of bill. Okay, date of bill is 15th May 2019 and the period of bill is 3 months and after site is given, then what we will have to do, we will have to take the date of presentation or acceptance whichever is earlier. So here the date is same, so we will take the date of 15th May 2019. Period is 3 months and nominal due date we have to found here 15th August 2019 and 3 days as a grace we have to add. Then our bill's date is 18th August 2019. Then again we have to move to the next slide for solving our question number 4 of calculation of due date. So we will see that after site is given in this question also. So here also we have to take after presentation or acceptance whichever date is earlier. So here we will see in this question date of presentation is 29th August 2019 is given and date of acceptance is 30 August 2019. So we will choose the date of presentation, then our date is 29th August 2019 plus period of 2 months, then nominal due date is 29th October 2019. Okay, so plus 3 grace days we have to add. So the date is 1st November 2019 of our due date. So students, in the next part we will see some important terms and journal entries, okay, or bill of exchange. Thank you.